Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you try to update your iPhone 7 to iOS 14 and you still have problem with it, so you just have Cellular Update Failed. So how you can fix this error? So for fixing it, first thing you need to check is just swipe up and just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So just try again to update your iOS. If it doesn't help you, you can also just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general and just find here reset. So just tap on reset and just restart your phone. So just you will see here slide to power off, so just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. If it doesn't help you too, you can also try to make forced restart on your phone, so just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons. So when you will see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these two buttons and just wait until your system will load and you will be able for using your system. So just wait and I will show to you the latest method you can also try. So now just unlock your phone, so just with Touch ID or using your passcode, and just go to the settings, open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general, and in the general you need to scroll down to reset. Just tap on reset and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it, just enter your passcode for submitting it, and just try again to update your iOS. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.